This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Haka arpu artare ujemmang arja arpusan kanok pais ngi shwa ban hiar malakiat ban nong rian kasonam Raghuvanshi kala thapno yo Mangalasutra bat ka Sati haka luggage ka bamaka bat ukurim jongka uraja Raghuvanshi kilabu haka Manha hotel hastat sopen. Ya kenela pentep daki pulet ke Meghalaya ka bakila ong bah ka jingbut dien kila ngolengop bah ka kentai ke badang sudap ya thok kan I yo teu jingdeng uba ken kentang bah ha ka jinget Hindu bat ya ka Sati bat kila ong baki dei kitiar ki bapen suba bakala ban don kti ha ka ban penyap yala ukurim jongka. Dangshan hadin ke jinglap ya kabat yap uraja uvipen Raghuvanshi ula kenno baki don kitiar ki badang ja kata artli ki mobile ki baramdor bat kumjo ki jingdeng kser hadu ke bala penlong ya Shillong Mail ru ban bu ya dak jingkeli persya ya uvipen hadin ke jingyo priang ya ki dur na ka CCTV. Habawan sora kini kisi kurim kila raru ya ki artli ki luggage ki baret bat marya poi hakapor kumbakhat art sau pulai minit mensengi kila let ban wat kamera hakatai ke hotel ke badon hasat sopen ke belatip kerteng kum ke Manha hotel. Habapoi hakatai ke hotel nomor bamdon kamera show kila pantang ke jaka ban bo iki luggage bat kum taru la ayaki. Habakran sikilat patay kubor u Davis NR Marak IPS Deputy Inspector General of Eastern Range hakanok pais ngi jong kakat artri ujeliu araja arpusan. Shis ngi hadien ke jingtian bishar ya kasonam bat saungot kishenrang katau Raj Singh Kushwaha, Akash Rajput, Vijay Singh Chauhan baru Anand Kurmi Hakort an Office of District and Session Judge East Khasi Hills District hadien balakam na ke Jingdon keti penyap yo Raja Raghuvanshi haka arpolai tri jemmang araja arpusan ula ong. Begitai ki dei ki Jingdon Jingem ki bakalalong ki Sabut peningkong ban lap ksa ya ke jingjia baro. Ya kini kisan ngot lakiam hakamit jong ka pratarik bat khandai tri ujeliu araja arpusan hakaba ya ka sonam lakiam na Varanasi Gazipur National Highway bat yo Akash Rajput na Lalitpur haka jilla Uttar Pradesh kat ba yo Raj Singh bat Vijay Singh Chauhan lakiam na Indore bat yo Anand Kurmi na Sagar District ka jilla Madhya Pradesh.
See, initially when this report came to us about this missing couple, we were not very sure as to what the circumstances, under what circumstances they have gone missing. So we thought that maybe it could have been an accident, it could have been robbery, it could have been murder, it could have been so many other things. So we were not ruling out anything at that point of time. And later, from one of the homestays in Sora, we recovered the suitcases of the missing couple. And surprisingly, in that suitcase, we found the Mangalasutra and one ring. So we were surprised because we usually do not expect a newly married couple, especially the woman, to take off her Mangalasutra and go roaming. So that was where we expanded our investigation, and we also included maybe Sonam and the possibility of Sonam being a part of some sort of some criminal activity on the part of Sonam, and that is how we proceeded with our investigation. It is one of the red lights in a sense that, there were certain inconsistencies in the facts that were before the police at that point of time. Like for instance, we had recovered the body, we had recovered the murder weapon, but the girl was missing. Then there was a case of this Mangalasutra. There were also cases like, for instance, a new couple had come to Sora for honeymoon, and there was nothing posted on the social media, no photographs taken of the couple and all that. So these were the red flags that actually made the police investigate the angle of probably an inside job. As far as we know, they carried the suitcase. The rider put it in front in the front side and between his legs, and that was how they carried the suitcase.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangi bam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka shop plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.